Hi, my name is Teresa. I am a 41-year-old mother of 3 young men. I have a job. I am engaged to be married, and I am a recovering substance abuse addict with 4.5 years clean. The role mental illness has played in my life has been huge. It has strained my family relationships, taken away 2 years of my life in state mental hospitals, caused numerous suicide attempts, and almost cost me my life. In state hospital, everything I did was on a routine, and so when I got out, they had already set me up with Eskenazi care, and I already had an appointment for the next day. My care team here at Eskenazi has been the most helpful, having somebody to turn to anytime I need somebody to rely on. They've been helpful to me when I've been suicidal or when I've came up with a life problem that I didn't know how to deal with. I can call my therapist and she can help me. Or if my meds need adjusted and I'm just having a really hard time, I can get into the psychiatrist early and get my meds adjusted early. It's just really helpful. Eskenazi helped me to set routines and to make appointments, and they helped me find housing. Recovery means starting to be able to live a normal life again. I used to think that there was an end to recovery, that you worked hard and then you became recovered and that was the end of it. But recovery is ongoing, it's a lifetime thing. My family has been an important part of my recovery because without their support, I could have never done it. My mom and me are best friends, and for a long time when I was on drugs and stuff, I lost that with her, and now I have it back and we see each other every week, and it's so good to have my mom in my life again. My fiance, he just stole my heart, and he is amazing in my recovery. He motivates me every day. He helps me through everything. He doesn't let me sit and mope when I'm depressed. He really is a huge motivator in my life. I would want somebody hearing my story to know that recovery is hard, but that first step is the hardest. But it's not as scary as you think it is, because I see my therapist as my friend almost, because it's so easy to talk to her. It's worth it to get help. It's worth it to not feel bad anymore. It's worth it to be happy for once. And you can't get that if you don't get help. You need the medicine, you need the support. To share my story feels inspiring. If I could just help one person, then that makes it feel worthwhile to me. There always is light at the end of the tunnel. The harder the fight, the greater the reward.